Yeah, because when you pressed it, all of a sudden I could just feel like my chest went in.
Yeah.
And I could feel my heart beating. Just feel love. I could just feel
Love.
like there's love there.
Yeah,
There's love.
good,
There's love there.
good.
Yeah. Just automatic smiles, like joy just coming up.
Oh, that is so good.
Yeah, lots of smiles. It's automatic. No memories or anything like that. Just
Yeah,
it was an spontaneous joy that was just
there,
coming up.
Yeah.
And it was like so cool because the first time it was like I had no room to smile.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden I thought, oh my goodness, I'm smiling. Oh, that was so cool. That was so cool. There was like spontaneous joy.
I love it.
Up.
I love it.
Yeah. And then the other really cool part was your when you did the sound around my head,
Yes.
right across here,
Yes.
there's like energy. It's just like
Yes.
zoom,
Yes.
zoom. Because I could feel it going like this. Was that you doing that?
Well, I came there a few times, and then after I went from here, of just opening.
I caught
Yeah.
it. Yeah, I felt
Yeah.
it because it was warm. It was just
Yeah.
really, really warm.
Yeah.
But this part was like dancing. It was
Yeah.
just like zoom, zoom.
Yeah.
And then I thought, oh, that's so fun. And then it was just a matter of just a whole bunch of just
Yeah.
images just coming through, which
Yeah.
is really cool.
Any specific time of your life images from everywhere, from anything?
No, they're if they are, I don't even remember those lifetimes.
Yeah. Oh,
No,
okay.
No, I don't remember any
Yeah.
of it.
Wow.
It's just basically random, beautiful areas. At the end, it was just light beams. It was just coming visiting. I can just feel it right now. Yeah, I can feel it right now. It's just like the whole thing was just basically a joy.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Yeah, joy.
It was just joy.
You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. Why not?
True. True.
Why not?
True.
That's right.
Yeah, that's who we are. The
That's
pure
right.
joy.
That's right.
Yeah. The lovely reminder is just like that's what we are. True.
That's right.
That's life is meant to be experienced like that, you know?
Yeah. That's the layers we have to remove. Is everything that says that we're not that.
Yeah.
We're not joy. We're not love. We're not peace.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
gentleness. We're not kindness.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
not patient.
Yeah. So it was just really cool to experience that. Like it was such a, yeah. And at the end, it wasn't as stiff
Yeah.
here. Yeah. Because when you pressed it, all of a sudden I could just feel like my chest went in.
Yeah.
And I could feel my heart beating. just feel love, like just feel
Love.
like there's love there. There's
Yeah,
love.
good.
There's love
Good.
there.
Good.
Yeah.